my channel. My name's Jamie and today I thought I'd come in and show you how I make these really cute shaker cards. I use cut aparts from like 12x12 paper pads or even Project Life cards to make these, and they just look really cute as embellishments on packages, or I even use them sometimes to make cards if they're 6x4 cards. So I'm going to show you how I make these today. If you like this kind of video, please remember to subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and leave a like on the video. So I've made a sequins mix, and the collection that I'm kind of working with is the Magical Forest collection by Crate Paper. So I've grabbed a cut apart sheet, and I grabbed both of the cut apart sheets and I've just cut them apart. And looking at the colors, I made a sequins mix. Now the sequins that I have are from AliExpress. Pretty much every sequin I have is from AliExpress, and I also have, if I can find a piece, some little clay heart chunks in there as well. So I'm going to use this as the sequins mix inside because I think it really matches the paper. Like, that sequins mix looks so good with that card. I really love it. So what you're going to need is your sequins mix. You can just use one sequin if you want, but I like a little mix. You're going to need some cards. This is a cut apart sheet, and I'm going to do the fox one with you. I just really like these, and I think they'd be really cute as a baby album. Anyway, I use this. Now this is a roll of acetate that I got from AliExpress, and it is, I think, 4 inches wide. So what I do is I just measure up my card, and I just flip it so that there's a little bit of excess. Now you can get these in 6 inches, and if I had got it in 6 inches, I'd be able to have it standing up, but because it's 4 inches, I can't. And then I just cut it like that. You can use a 12x12 scrapbooking sheet. I'm just really trying to use this up because I've had it for a very long time now and I rarely use it. So I'm trying to use it up. Now, because of this, I like to just take it out and get a good crease, because that's where you're going to have your starting point from. Now, again, because I'm using this, I'm going to washi tape aside so that so it doesn't basically come apart. If you're using a 12x12 sheet, you don't have to, because, like a 12x12 page protector, because they're already stuck together on 3 of the sides. So you don't have to do that, but because I'm doing that, I have to. I'm gonna just double check that my card fits in there, and it does. So what I'm gonna do along this sealed side, so this is where it's sealed, I'm going to stitch as close as I can to the end with my sewing machine, as close as I can get, and just go across the whole thing. So I'll do that now and come back. Okay, so here it is, stitched as close as I can, and then I'm going to slide my card in and get it nice and tight up against that stitch there. My sewing machine out of the way. Get it nice and tight up against there and just kind of push it up against it. Then you're going to stitch, leave the washi tape there. You're going to stitch it down here and down here as close as you can to the card. If you touch the card, it doesn't really matter, but as close as you can, stitch there and there. And then you're going to stop and leave that side unstitched. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is taking my scissors, I'm going to cut the excess off along that side and that side. I just find it easy to work with when you do that. And it doesn't have to be perfectly straight. If you want it to be straight, you can use your cutting machine, like a paper trimmer. I just don't mind if it's not perfectly straight because it's handmade and it's never going to be perfect. Okay, so now you can take your washi tape off. And then what you're going to do is, I just kind of think of it as a pinch of salt, like in a recipe. So I'm going to open it up, and I want to make sure that I don't get any on the back. On this one I got 2, but I don't really want to waste my sequins by having them on the back. I'm just going to open it up like this, take a pinch of salt, and then put them all in. Now I can have a look at it briefly, see if I think that's going to be enough, and I just want to put a couple of extra clay pieces in because I really like the way that they look. So I'm going to put a couple of extra clay pieces in, but you can just put the amount of sequins that you want in there. I'm happy with a pinch of salt because I typically use these on packages, so if someone's going to throw them away, I don't want to waste all my sequins. Then all you're going to do is just stitch down there and seal up your pocket. And then you're just going to cut off your excess like you did before. And there you go, you've got a nice shaker card that you can put straight onto a project. You can use them in Happy Mail, and you can gift them as well because they're really, really cute. So thanks for watching this super quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and got inspired. Remember to leave a like if you did, and leave a comment if you want to know about any of the products. Please consider subscribing, it really helps me out. Thanks guys, bye!